Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool right here, and basically what this is a pet water bottle. So definitely use this to feed water for your pet, whether it be cats or dogs or whatever. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product looks like. So they actually have this in two different sizes. The one that we got right here is 19 ounce. I believe they have one for 12 ounce. So it's basically like a small and large. And they also have this available in two different colors. So they have it in pink and they also have it in blue. The one that we got right here is the blue one. If you can see in the side of the packet right here, they provide you guys information that's on the product. And they mention how the product is leak proof, if you can see right here. And also right here, they provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to use the product as well. But on the other side right here, they mention how the product is BPA free. You can carry it outdoors. So if you guys want to use it when you guys are hiking or traveling or whatever, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And they mention how it has a one key leak proof design. The way how to design the product so that way actually will not leak out. So that is basically everything that's on the package right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what the product looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see the product is all nicely wrapped. But let's take it out. Alright, so when we take out the product, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So right here is the bottle that you guys want to fill the water inside. Right here is where the water will come out. If you can see there's a little hole right there, and that is basically where the water will come out. And you can see right here is basically the button you guys want to press to let the water out. And then right here is a lock button. So if you guys want to push it this way, that will lock it. So if you guys try to press it, it won't work. But when you guys unlock it, you guys can press it again. But when we turn in the back right here, you can definitely see the logo is right there, or the name of the brand right there. And inside right here, you see they do have a wristband, so you can definitely put that on top of the bottle. So you can definitely tie that wrist strap right here to carry around really easily if you guys need to. But basically all you guys need to do is open it up and then pour the water inside. And then once you guys pour the water inside, you guys can actually flip it upside down to pour water through here. And if you see the way how to design this part right here, they have a bunch of holes so that way the water can go through. But it also has a leak proof design on the side right here and also the inside, so that way the water cannot go through unless you guys push a button right here. But basically once you guys put the water inside, you can close it back up. And then once it's sealed up, then you start using the product. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Then we should go test this out to show you guys whether or not the actual product is leak proof. And we'll actually test this out on the pet to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here with the product, they mentioned take out the wristband or wrist option right here. And they will put it on here and they will add the water inside to show you guys how it works. So you basically want to put this through this slot right here. Alright, so we got that part in. So what you guys want to do now is to rinse the product to make sure it's clean in the bottle right here and also on the cap as well. So let's do that first. Alright, so that should be good. So what I'm going to do is add some water inside here first. Alright, and then close it back up. Alright, so once you guys got the water in, then you guys can start using it. So you guys flip it upside down. You guys can see how none of the water can come out. And we didn't even lock it yet. If we lock it, then you guys can press the button right here. But when you unlock it, you can definitely press the button right here. And the water comes out, if you guys can see. But if you guys can see, when we actually flip it upside down without pressing the button, there's no water coming out. So it definitely has that leak proof design that they mentioned, which is super awesome. But when you guys are ready to use the product, you can definitely press the button right here for the water to come out. And once you guys let go, the water stops coming out. So you definitely feed your pet the water right here really easily. And then if you guys have any leftover water, you can definitely just go like this to bring it back in as well. You can see the water slowly going back in because you guys open up the little gap or the hole inside right here for the water to go through. So that way you guys don't waste any water if you guys have any extra ones. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let's go test this out on actual pet and see how it works. Alright, so let's test it out. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work and it works quite well, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that it actually does work and the product is leak proof, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys want to carry this around on your wrist, or if you guys want to carry this in your backpack, you don't have to worry about any water leaking out, which is super convenient. And see the way how you guys press the button for the water to come out, it comes out so easily. And once you guys let go of the button, the water doesn't come out anymore. So if you guys want to lock it or unlock it, that's up to you guys. But you definitely see it actually does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys go traveling or hiking a lot, or if you guys do stuff outdoors with your pet, then you definitely want to get one of these so it's much more easier for you guys to feed water to your pet. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.